Hey there, 911 shoppers. This is Adam, your 911 reviewer, your guru of the review. We've got a tremendous review for you today. This is from, I believe the company's name is Kiko Fit. You can see that there. They get a little yin-yang in their logo, and they sell you a very nice knife sharpener. You just hold onto the handle, and you can sharpen your knife. Now, it did come with a little bit of instructions. Here's the nice box. I'll pause for a thumbnail. And it is they say go to kiko-fit.com, and you can email them at support@kikofit.com. So thank you for buying this fantastic knife sharpener. Now, I've always been a little bit bad about sharpening knives. They say that a sharp knife is the smart thing to have in your kitchen, and the most dangerous thing you can have in your kitchen is a dull knife. And I imagine that's because with a dull knife, you're cutting through a piece of meat and it's sticking, and then it gives way and you have a chance of injuring yourself. So anyway, folks, it is officially mine and Jennifer's anniversary, our wedding anniversary today. This is 17 years of wedded bliss between Jennifer and myself. Wow, really 17 years, and we've been together for, I believe it's 21. We've been together since 1997, so I'm showing my age there. But this is a nice little product. It sharpens your knife. You've got two different sharpening tools for fine or for coarse. So I guess if you want that really fine, sharp knife, use this one. You can probably go back and forth like this. I like the idea of just single strokes. Seems a little safer for the way I do it. And go ahead and go to kiko-fit.com to get more information about this. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Oh, it's getting sharp already. So the bottom line, folks, is if you have been bad about sharpening knives, this is a very convenient, easy tool. I remember my mom had a handheld one as a kid, and it just seemed unsafe at best, right? This, you can really put some pressure down. When you're holding it down, it's not gonna move, and that's nice. And very reasonably priced. Go ahead and check one out. There's an Amazon link in the description below. So go ahead and leave some comments below if you have any questions about the product, if you have any questions for me and or for Jennifer. I got Leanne and we're being sent a couple set of pajamas and robes, and Leanne and my wife doesn't like to be on the channel first person. Leanne doesn't mind. So you're gonna see a future video of me and Leanne in some pajamas, which is gonna confuse some people, like, why are you with cousin Leanne? But she's a great addition to the channel. And obviously just a very easy product to use. Again, it has for fine and for coarse knives, great handle to hold on to. It's stainless steel. It does have a padded bottom. It's always nice to find one with a padded bottom. Not as padded as Kim Kardashian, but definitely padded. So it's going to stick to your surface. Nice stainless steel. It's the good stainless steel, not the stuff that's gonna smudge up and leave fingerprints. Yeah, it's a great product. I'll go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. But I think the big thing that I want to impress upon you is the overall quality of this. This is a solid stainless steel, good quality knife sharpener. So go ahead and check it out. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews, your guru of the review. We're gonna bring tremendous reviews for you pretty much every day for the next few weeks, so make sure to click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.